So I had a mishap. My husband gonna try to fix my front bumper on the passenger side.
Here, got this heating gun. Try to push it out the bumper. Okay, open up the hood. Okay, we got take a plastic screw on a driver's side. Okay, they also one in a passenger side also. You can see right there. And a screw there. There's not a plastic screw along the front bumper. There's another one right there that we gotta take off to get the bumper off. Everybody, I'm chalking up the back wheel. You can use wood. Any of these is just chalking up the back wheel. But I have wood, I go ahead and use wood then. Right back wheel, okay? So grab jack for safety, so never use jack alone, okay? So, both sides. Plastic. Okay, we're gonna take out this plastic. Need a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet, maybe a small pocket screwdriver, and 10mm socket. Okay, take those nut off.
To hold all your tools together.
Okay, get phone fast. Let's see. I think this is. Heat up that bumper. Maybe we can just push it out. Okay. Push it down, but we forgot to record.
Push it down. We got to record.
We gotta do straight. All right. Go off. Try to clean this thing from bumper. We're able to push it out with the heater gun. So you have a plastic bumper that probably will help you too. Look at that. Let me see. Do this one in good ventilation area. Look at see, it's really working. Let me try the light one. Okay.
Final touch.
Okay, guy. Back right here. Can we do? Just put them like that back, but.
So the bumper's gonna go back on.
Got the key.
All done.
Want to try your windshield?